Hi, welcome to another video. So, Claude has just launched its Claude desktop app. Yes, Claude for desktop has now launched. You can download it right now and start using it. It is available on both Windows and macOS, which is just amazing. It allows you to chat with the Claude models, and you can also use it for free. I haven't tried it out yet, but it seems that it's almost similar to the web interface. There's no computer use feature or anything in there yet. So, there's that. It's great if you use Claude, because it now comes right to your fingertips, and I think they will also shortly roll out the computer use feature for every user, which should be pretty good. I think this was inevitable because OpenAI also launched their app, and now Claude has launched theirs. I'm waiting to get the computer use feature in the app as well, and I'm also still waiting for the Haiku model, which has not yet been released. So, let's see if the Haiku model is released anytime soon or not. Anyway, you guys can go ahead and try it out now, because it looks super cool. You'll need to just hit the download button here, based on your system, and then just get it installed. Then open it up, sign in, and you should be good to go. Although, it seems a little incomplete as of now, because, why do I need to download a zip file for the macOS installation? It seems a little unpolished, for sure. So, I hope it gets improved as well because it's very beta-like. And it actually is because you can see that it says beta over here. But that's fine. Overall, it looks pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating to my channel through the Super Thanks option below. Or you can also consider becoming a member by clicking the join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.